Hi students, hi parents. Today is actually Tuesday, but this lesson is for tomorrow, Wednesday, April 15th. So tomorrow's lesson has 4 pages and I'm only having lessons about 3 of them. Today we are learning about division facts, dividing by 3 and by 4. So I have our first worksheet, and these are the triangles where we remind ourselves about the fact families. So 3 times something equals 15. So I made this paper here to remind the students about our multiplication by 3's. So we have this song, or rhythm I should say, that we count by 3's, and it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. The kids also know that I kind of taught them a song from We Will Rock You. So it goes like this, and they know this. 0, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 33, 36. So I don't have that right there. I need to put that for them. Alongside of this, I wrote what the multiplication is for each one with 3's. So 0 times 3 equals 0. 1 times 3 is 3. 2 times 3 is 6, and so on. So over here, I made some triangles like we have right here. We have a 15 at the top, a 3 factor, and we are missing a factor. So I wrote this, we are missing a factor. So 3 times something equals 15. So I go ahead and write this. They could write this themselves if that helps them. So I have the 3, and I have the 15, and the missing factor is 15. So we could write 5 in here, and on your paper you will write 5 also. And then down below, I'm going to take these 2 factors, and I'm going to write 3 times 5 equals 15. Then I'm going to do the reciprocal. I switch it around. So I'm going to draw an arrow here and draw an arrow here, and I'm going to switch it. Then I'm going to have 5 on the top. 5 times 3 equals 15. And this is a division symbol. This is one of them. So I'm going to put 15 on the top. 15 is my large number. It is the large number. It goes on the top. So then I'm going to say 15 divided by 5 and equals 3. Now I'm going to do the other one. I'm going to go this direction. 15 divided by 3 equals 15. So I put 15 on the top. 15 divided by 3 equals 5. The next one I worked on over here on this paper was I have 21 for my answer and my factor 3, and I'm missing a factor of something. So I go back to my numbers, and I am going to see what do I get to get to 21. So I'll do that song again. 0, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. Oh, there it is. There's my 21. So I have 21. I have the factors of 7, 3, and 21. Let's go see what I have here. So I have 3, and I'm missing 7. So I put 7 there. Put 7 on your paper. And now I'm going to write the factors. 3 times 7 equals 21. And then I'm going to reciprocate it. So this means I'm switching it. Okay, then I'm going to have 7 first times 3 equals 21. And when I start with my division, it's a lot like subtraction. You start with your big number first. Big number, so I'm going to put 21. divided by 3 equals 7. And then I'm going to go the other direction. So I'm going to put an arrow here and I'll go this way. 21 divided by 7 equals 3. Okay, the next one, I'll do one more for you on the 3's. So I have 3, a 27, and a missing factor. Let's go over here and look at my numbers. I'll sing that song again. 0, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36. But I am looking for 27. So I have 27 right there, and my missing factor is 9. Then I go ahead and write my factors again. 3 times 9 equals 27, and 9 times 3 equals 27. And this time we have a division symbol. I call it the house. House or box. So put your big number, remember the big number goes inside the box. So we put 27, and I'll put 3 on this side. 27 divided by 3 equals, my other number is 9. Put 27 in the box again. 27 divided by 9 equals 3. Okay, there you go. So there we have the factors of 3, 9, and 27. All right, now I'm going to go to the 4 pages. So on the other side, side A, 105A, you will see you have division, 18 divided by 3. These are the 3's, these are the 4's, and these are the 1's. So I'm just going to work on some of the 4's because we haven't talked about that a lot. So I made another paper about the 4's. Okay, this song, I have it, Mary Had a Little Lamb, and I've kind of had that the other day. So remember, Mary had a little lamb. Ready? Here we go. 0, 4, 8, and 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. Then I should have 44. 44, that's the song of the 4's. Right, so our first problem is 12 divided by 4. This is just like the triangles. So we could have a triangle or we could have it like this. So I have what go to the 12. So 12, I have the factors of 4 and 3. So I have 12 divided by 4 equals 3. And I'm going to put that over here. This is just like the triangle. So I'm going to put 12 up there by 4 equals 3. It's the same thing. 28 divided by 4. Let's go to 28. 28, I see it's 7 times 4 equals 28. So we'll put 28 divided by 4 equals 7. If you want to, you could just have these down and count to 7. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Or sometimes we use our fingers. I can't really use my fingers right now because I'm holding this phone, but I'll pretend. I'll go 0, okay, I'll show it. 0, 4, 8, and 12, 16, 20. So 5 fingers, there's the 5. 5 fingers is 20. But if I had 2 more fingers, 24, 28, that would be 7 fingers. That's one of my ways that I've done this. Then I'm going to go to 36, skip all the way down to, 36 divided by 4. So 36 divided by 4 is 9 times 4. One of them to really remember is that anytime you use 0, 0 times 4, 0 divided by 4, remember that 0 is very powerful and it is 0. All right, next thing I'm going to do is the homework page. I'm going to help you with that a bit. Okay, on number 1. This is for Wednesday still, but I'm teaching it today. So Joshua bought 2 bookmarks and a folder. So notice that he has 2 bookmarks. So a bookmark over here costs 10 cents, but he bought 2 of them. So I had to put 10 cents plus 10 cents, And then the folder is 45 cents. So I have 10 cents plus 10 cents equals 45 cents. So how much is that? So we have 10 cents plus 10 cents. We could just circle that together, and that's 20 cents. Okay, then we could say 20 cents plus 45 cents equals 65 cents. Now they want to know how much change is he going to get back. So there's two ways you could do this. You could just say $1, because I guess he's giving $1. And so you could go ahead and subtract. This is a little tricky, I know. You can't say 0 minus 5. You can't say 0 minus 6. You have to go all the way over to the 1 and cross him out. And he's now a 0. So now you have a 10 here. And now I can borrow from him. So sorry, this is kind of small. But now I changed the 10 into a 9. All right, now I have a 9. And I have 10 over here. So you could go 10 minus 5 is 5. And 9 minus 6 is 3. So that's how much cents he gets back. There's another way that we learned, and I'll do it up here on the top. Okay, so if it costs 65 cents, we could have, what do I need to give back to get to $1? So I have the 5 here. So they taught you a trick that you need to round it up to get to like a 10. So I would add a nickel, and then that would get me to 70 cents. Then how much until I get to that $1? So you could add, so easy, you could just add 3 dimes. There's a 10 cents, and that gets you to 80. Another 10 cents gets you to 90. And another 10 cents, and that would get you to $1. So there's 2 different ways to show you how to do that. The next thing I'm going to write is write 6,250 in expanded form. Okay, so I'm just going to write, there's my 1,000. So I'm going to write 6,000 and my 100. So I have 200s plus 200 and 50 plus 50. That's Mama Bear. And there are 0 baby bears. So you don't even have to put it. So you're right. We'll put it so that you'll understand. But 6,000 plus 200 plus 50 plus 0 equals 6,250. And remember I told you after 3 digits you put a comma. So that after the hundreds there's a comma. On this one, write 258,609 using digits. So they want you to do it right here, but I'll do it under here. So I know I have 258. Do you see that? 258. So let's write 258. And then it says 1,000. Oh, okay. Then I have 600, so we have 100. And then 609. We don't have any mama bears. We just have 9. So we have 258,609. Is that crazy? Right. Remember about parallel lines, they are like a railroad track, though don't touch. They can go vertical, horizontal, they can go diagonal or oblique. So the places that have parallel lines are the F's, the L doesn't have anything, the N's, the X doesn't work, okay? So we're supposed to circle the ones that work. How do you write 35,000? So we'll write this. 35. So remember, we're in our thousands here. 200, 210. $10. And, so don't forget your little cool and 63 over 100. So that's it. So ready? $35,210 and 63 cents over 100. Okay, I'm coming down. I'll let you guys do this by yourselves, but right here, we had a lesson about what equals 10. So we have a 2 right here. 2 plus what equals 10? So 2 plus 8. We know there's an 8 right there. So we're going to 100, but so 2 plus 8 equals 10, and carry the 1 on this side. So I have 3 plus 4. Now I have 4 plus what equals 10, because we're doing the what equals 100. 4 plus 6. So I will put 68. I'll do one more down here. 49 plus what? We know that 50 plus 50 equals 100, but we took away 1. So we're going to put 1 there. 9 plus 1 equals 10. And then we'll put a 1 there. And actually, that should go on the 4. Sorry. So that's 4 plus 1 equals 5. So that should be 51. Does that make sense? So it would be 50 plus 50, but we took 1 away. So we put 1 on this one. Now let's look at these. Notice all of these equal signs. Equal, 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 equal. This is so easy. This says 5 times 3. This is missing. What's over here that's equal? 3 times 5. Okay, 7 times 3 equals 3 times 7. 23 plus 28 equals 48 plus 23. 17 plus something, what's on the other side? 56 plus 17. You don't even really need to know the answer. You just notice that this equal sign is telling you what to do. Okay, that is very powerful. Okay, that is the end of the lesson for today. Tomorrow, I will do the lesson about perpendicular line segments, and maybe I can find a cool video because they're out there. Perpendicular and parallel. That's tomorrow. Okay, well, have a good day, and thank you for turning in all of your math. And we have midterm grades going out this Friday, so all of your homework can come in on Friday instead of every day if you'd like. Okay, bye.